Don't you stop.
Hey everyone, thank you so much for being here and for watching. My name is Alondra and today we are cleaning. And when I say we're cleaning, we are cleaning because my house is an extreme disaster right now. So hopefully this video motivates you to get up and clean with me. And if you enjoy these type of videos, then go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up right now. And also subscribe to my channel. I'd love to have you be part of my journey here on YouTube. So now let's go ahead and get started with this video because we have a lot to clean. So let's show you all what we're working with. If you've seen any of my previous videos, then you'll know that this is pretty normal. It gets really messy up in here, but that is okay. This week in particular was my mom's birthday, so we did go out to eat to dinner 3 times this week. So I was not home 3 days out of the 5 days after work, which is why it got super messy. In this video, we are starting off with the bathroom, and if you haven't watched my bathroom transformation or remodeling video, then I'll link that down below for you because I just love the way my bathroom turned out. It was super different, so if you want to look at the before and after and how I remodeled it and transformed it, then I'll leave the link down below for you so you can watch that video after you watch this video. If you're new to my channel, I just want to say welcome and thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you coming on here and sharing some virtual space with me, and also let you know that I do post weekly motivational videos. So if you like these type of videos, then definitely subscribe down below. My partner got me these flowers for Valentine's this year, and I did end up throwing them out, but he actually gave me some flowers for Valentine's back in 2012, so 8 years ago now, and we were kids. But I grew very attached to the flowers because they were the first time he ever got me flowers, and so I actually still have them. Just a quick tip on what I did to keep them was that I cut the stems off and then I let the flowers that I wanted to keep dry completely, and then I placed them in a frame, and it's a small frame, but I have some of the flowers that he gave me in there, so I'll try to show you all that in the next video, so keep an eye out for that if you kind of want to see what I'm talking about. But they look really beautiful and they mean a lot to me, and it's a piece that I will probably keep for as long as I can. Okay. Okay, ahorita le llevo el molcajete. Okay, bye. That was my grandma because I shared before that I live really close to my grandma. I live walking distance from her. Literally, I see her every day. So I usually take, like, I borrow stuff from her because I'll take some food because they always bring her a lot of food. So she'll be like, hey, do you want to come get like a taco or something? So I go over, and so the other day I borrowed her molcajete, which is like right there on the corner if you can see it. And it's like where she uses it to like grind salsa and things like that. So she just called me and I remembered that I should take her molcajete because she uses it a lot. So I need to do that soon. this moment I was looking for the sponge because it was hiding in between all of these dishes. I don't always have this many dishes in the sink without washing them, but I think what ended up happening here, like I said, is that it was my mom's birthday this week. So when I would come home from work, I would just put my Tupperware and my dishes that I would take to work for lunch in the sink and kind of just leave them there because I would head right out. And then when I would come home, it was already time for bed. I was super tired, had work the next day, so kind of just accumulated throughout the days. But we are getting to it and it'll go by quickly.
Sunset slow, hey, you know you should stay for the night. What you think? One more drink while we sit by the bonfire.
I do just want to say happy International Women's Day today. I hope that you take some time to celebrate yourself and all of what you do. And I also hope that you celebrate another woman in your life who just does amazing things and acknowledge them. So happy International Women's Day.
Take a chance, baby, roll the dice. Gotta give me some love, cause when I'm with you, I'm in paradise. You know how to make me feel alive. Gotta give me some love, nah, nah. Gotta give me some love, nah, nah, nah. Gotta give me some love, nah, nah, nah. You gotta give me some love, nah, nah, nah. Gotta give me some love, nah, nah, nah.
Cleaning the sink has to be one of my favorite things to do. When I look back at the footage, I am so satisfied. I can re-watch the footage over and over again of me cleaning the sink because it's just super satisfying to me. So like this video if cleaning the sink is also one of your favorite tasks, and if it isn't, then let me know down in the comments what is your favorite task to do.
I need you, what to do, I can't help that I want you. We got the moonlight shining bright as we drive down the avenue.
Like always, I am linking Grove Collaborative down below in the description box. Grove Collaborative is the platform where I get my cleaning supplies, at least a majority of my cleaning supplies, and for new customers they do have some free gifts for you all, so I'll leave the link down below, and then once you're an existing customer you continue to receive free gifts with your purchases.
Cause when I'm with you, I'm in paradise. You know how to make me feel alive. Gotta give me some love, nah, nah. Gotta give me some love, nah, nah, nah.
I have some really great videos planned out for the month of March and April, so I just wanted to let you all know to keep an eye out for those, and also to click on the little notification bell down below so that you're notified when those videos go up. I will let you all know that I have a spring deep clean video coming out next week on Sunday, so look out for that video, and also join me to deep clean your home next week.
I see you standing there, a soothing atmosphere. Smell of your aftershave, sweet blossom in the rain. You flip around your hair as if you're unaware, but you should know that I'm looking at you. You make me feel like I'm made of colors, just you and me.
So this mess is because I was, like I said, remodeling our bathroom, so everything kind of just stayed in the living room, and this was like my mini headquarters when I was remodeling. So this is a mess and we are now picking it up.
All night out on the roof, tell everybody I do. I do, baby, I do wanna stay here and let loose, just keep on loving all night out on the roof, tell everybody I do.
Also, like in many of my videos, I am wearing my leggings from Zano Active, so I'll definitely link them down below for you all in case you are looking to get some athleisure wear that is comfortable, affordable, and high quality, and very, very cute if I do say so myself. So I'll link them down below for you all.
Oh, every single flare inside your burning stare. Just wanna be inside, keep dancing in your mind. You'll be my nighttime Valentine. You make me feel like I'm made of colors. Just you and me, ignore the others. Do you believe in one-time lovers?
While I was folding laundry, I was watching Love is Blind. I love to watch and binge on shows when I can, so a lot of the time it's when I am cleaning and I can kind of take my phone around with me. But in this case, it just so happened that I was sitting in front of the TV, so I was watching Love is Blind, which if you haven't watched it, it's on Netflix, and it's an interesting concept because people try to find love and they go on dates, but they are in pods, like their own pods, so they've never actually seen each other. So it's the type of show that you don't want to watch, but you just can't stop watching. So if you're looking for a show, maybe check that one out. This video is not done just yet, but I do just want to say thank you so much for being here and for watching this video and supporting me, especially as I continue to grow my channel here on YouTube. So thank you so much for watching. It truly does mean so much to me, and I want to continue to build community with you all. So definitely chat with me down in the comments and I will reply back to your comments. So that is it for this video. I am officially calling it a night. I am really tired. I do need a few hours to kind of just unwind and re-energize before I go into the week because it is Sunday today. So I just want to say thank you so much for joining me in today's video. I hope this video motivated you to clean, and if it did, then like this video and also subscribe to my channel. I have so many fun videos planned for the month of March and April, and also if you have any video requests, then leave them down in the comments below and I will get to it as soon as I can, or they might just happen to already be on my list and they are coming soon. So yeah, so like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!